Once the solution has been created for you, your activities are determined, the processes are there, you know what you want to use Magnitude for. The next thing is to get the utilization into the company. Before you get the utilization into the company, you're going to have to determine who your users are, what managerial rights they have, what they view, and how the data is all broken up to make sense of the app within your organization. For that reason, we've created a user management process. All you do is you click on user management. And in effect, what you're really telling us is create this user, give a managerial rights, belongs to this branch, and it breaks up accordingly. We then activate that, we deal with that, we make the changes, and in essence, you are managing users within your organization using our app. Good luck out there.
Next up, we have user management. User management is where all your establishments and users are stored, and once you have requested them, this is where you'll be notified as to what your usernames and passwords are for all your users in the system. Again, these requests are linked directly to support, so by tapping on request, you'll see that again, this is default contacted directly to support for you. And then we have a bit of an explanation as to the differences between a user, a contact, and an establishment, just to refresh your memory if you do find yourself at this point. The whole idea here is that if you are needing a new user or establishment added to your system, it's a quick and easy way to request them directly from Magnitude support. If there are cases where you have a large number of users, you can simply attach a document, an Excel document, right here within the app. So it's either linked to your Dropbox, so you can attach document right here at hand, or by using our web portal, you'll be able to attach any documents as well. However, if you're just dealing with a couple of users, it's quite simple to simply request them here. So obviously we'll need their full name. So we're going to say we're looking for Fred Flintstone. What's his email address? Well, fred@boulders.com. His cell number. We also then need to know what access this user requires. If there is a user in the system that you're wanting to duplicate, you can simply just pop in their name right here. Otherwise, we're needing exact activity names and or establishment names that you might be requiring. Once you have added this particular user details, you can then add as many users as you would like to at this point in time, and then you can submit it. And what will happen with that, support will receive an instant notification, and they will then be able to submit these user details. Once support has created the users for you, you will then receive a notification and be able to go to your Magnitude users and see the feedback that has been supplied by our support. So by tapping on that form, you will see the full detail of the users you requested and then the feedback from Magnitude support. If there is an Excel spreadsheet that needs to be sent back to you, you'll find the attachment here as well. And once again, you're able to collaborate with support and you can thank them or ask any questions if perhaps there's a user that's missing or the details aren't working or aren't functioning. You're able to do so at this point. If, however, you are fully satisfied that you've received all users and all is good with this query, you can simply tap on the 2 ticks, resolving the issue for now.